Hello boss, I'm George. This is my yard place for concrete pumps. This is a SANY HBT80-18 diesel concrete pump. It's original paint. The whole machine was made in 2020. Original paint. The paint is in good condition. The inside, the control box, and the ones are regular. And the engine, SANY 180 kilowatts. And the red source main oil pump. It's all original paint. The hydraulic oil clear. The valves, main oil pump, red source, SANY engine, very clear. If you like it, contact me please.